Students, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. In the previous video, we have seen about Nick's parents, Nick's childhood, Nick's parents' attempts to make him independent, and some of his bad days, and some of his achievements, and the inspiration he got. In this video, you are going to see some more details about Nick and the achievements of Nick in detail. So Nick used to say, the challenges in our life are there to strengthen our convictions. Challenges means here problems or difficulties. Convictions means beliefs. Our problems should develop our beliefs and we should not give up. They are not here to run us over. Whenever there is a problem, we should try again and again until the problem is solved. We should not give up. That is the motto of Nick Vujicic. And let us see some of the achievements of Nick Vujicic. In 1990, he got Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. Perseverance means the quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. Whatever the problems we are facing, we should continue our journey. We should not stop it at any time. And we should continue our journey despite of our difficulties, even though we face difficulties. That is called perseverance. And another important fact is, he chose surfing master as Bethany Hamilton. Let us see in this picture. She is Bethany Hamilton. What do you observe in this picture? She has no left arm. Her left arm was bitten by shark at the age of 12. So what made Nick to choose Bethany Hamilton as his surfing master? Because at the age of 12 she became a disabled person. So the similarity made Nick to choose Bethany Hamilton. A disabled person can understand another disabled person to train. At first, Bethany Hamilton rejected Nick to give the training of surfing, but Nick didn't give up and she preferred Bethany Hamilton only to teach him the surfing. At first, he was very afraid, but once he get over, he got really fantastic. He says that Bethany Hamilton is amazing. Her patience and determination made him to choose Bethany Hamilton as a surfing master. So within no time, he learned to catch the waves pretty well, and he has done a feat of a 360-degree spin within 48 hours, which made him to keep on the cover of Surfer magazine. He says that it is possible for him because of his low center of gravity. He can pretty balance the waves. As he has no arms and legs, he can with his low center of gravity he can catch the waves prettily and he can balance the waves. So he has done that feat where a normal person also cannot do that feat. Despite of his disability, he has done the feat within 48 hours. It's really amazing. There we can see the dedication of Nick, and in every attempt, he tried to motivate others by choosing Bethany Hamilton or by doing a 360-degree spin within 48 hours. He inspired so many. And he had started the company at the age of 17, that is non-profit organization, that is Life Without Limits. Here we can see the non-profit organization. He want to give with this, he visited from this organization, on behalf of this organization, he visited nearly 60 countries to give motivational speeches, to inspire others, to give hope to others. Mainly his motivational speeches are for students, youth and working professionals. And he had wrote many books. He acted in some of the short films and the fame. He has acted in short films The Butterfly Circus and The Lost Sheep, and he got Best Actor award for the film The Butterfly Circus. So all this he can achieve after reading the newspaper article. He has done, he realized himself, and he started his life. He used his life to give hope to others. He has done he has completed his education in financial and real estate accountants, and he learned to play all the games. He can play golf by keeping the stick under his chin, tucked under his chin. He can play the golf. He can write. He can write with his mouth, with his small foot. He can do surfing. He can play football, and he can go anywhere. He can comb his hair. He can wash his face. He can do. He can brush his teeth with the wall-mounted brush and a pump action soap to clean his hair. So he used all the skills. He used it to observe all the disabled persons and learn some of the skills, and now he became the symbol of triumph over adversity. And now from the beginning onwards we are saying that Nick is a motivational speaker. So let us see some of his important sayings. Some of the important sayings of Nick in his motivational speeches are: if you fail, try again and again and again, and keep on getting up when you fail, when you fall. Know the purpose of life. If God can use a man without arms and legs to be his hands and feet, then he will certainly use any willing heart. If there is any disabled person, if any person has no arms and legs, be your arms and feet to that disabled person. Help others, and don't stuck up at your failure. You have to keep going on until you reach your success. And there are some of the famous books written by Nick. They are Life Without Limbs in 2007, Life Without Limits 2014, and Unstoppability is a kind of autobiography of Nick. He has written it in 2012, Stand Strong in 2014, Attitude is Everything in 2013, Be the Hands and Feet in 2018. These are only some of the books. There are some more books which was written by Nick. So here there ends a lesson. Dear children, you have learned this lesson of Nick. You have seen so many failures, achievements of Nick. Despite of his disability, Nick became an inspirational personality. Being a normal person having both arms and legs, how can we achieve? How much far we can do? So with this video, I'm adding a motivational speech of Nick. So get inspiration from Nick and know the purpose of your life. Thank you.
Yes, you will have good days and you'll have bad days, but you will always learn something more or something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. I stand before you without arms and legs, but a very strong man because of the bad days of my life. You know how it is. If you didn't go what you've gone through, you wouldn't be who you are today. You may have arms and legs, but unless you know three things: number one, who are you and what your value is? Number two, what is your purpose here in life? And number three, what is your destiny when you're done here? If you don't know the answers of any of those three questions, you're more disabled than I.